Stay wild, my child. Zoe jumped out of bed.
Wake up, Mom!
She cried.
It's morning!
The sun was shining, the birds were singing. Zoe and her mom had a whole day to spend together. They were going to have a lot of fun. First, they went to the library.
Whoa! Look at all the books.
Shh, said Miss Foster, pointing at the sign. No loud talking or yelling.
Oh?
Zoe looked up at her mom.
Really?
She asked.
Never?
Not here, said Mom. But... here! Yell wild, my child! Next, Zoe and her mom went to the park. This way, said Mr. Jones, waving his spade. No walking on the grass. Zoe looked up at her mom.
Really?
She asked.
Never?
Not here, said Mom. But... here! Run wild, my child!
Watch out! Here I come!
Zoe and her mom went to Grandma's house for a visit. Come in! Cried Grandma, opening the door. But no wet shoes. Zoe looked up at her mom.
Really?
She asked.
Never?
Not here, said Mom. But... here! Splash wild, my child!
I love the rain! Whoa! Oh, it's wet!
It was time for Zoe to go to school. It's painting day, said Mrs. Scott, and parents are welcome to stay. Zoe's friend said, paint goes on paper, not on you.
Aw.
Zoe looked up at her mom.
Really?
She asked.
Never?
Not here, said Mom. But... here! Paint wild, my child. After school, Zoe and her mom took Buttons for a walk and stopped by a store. A sign read, "No children playing in the store." Zoe looked up at her mom.
Really?
She asked.
Never?
Not here, said Mom. But... here! Play wild, my child!
Whee! I can touch the sky! Higher, Mommy, higher!
Soon it was time for Zoe to go on a play date. Come with me, said Ada, grabbing Zoe's hand. We're going to make a couch fort. All right, girls, but no climbing. Zoe looked up at her mom.
Really?
She asked.
Never?
Not here, said Mom. But here! Climb wild, my child.
Look what I can do! Look at me!
After a long day of fun, it was time for bed. Pajama time, said Mom. Snuggle under the covers. No more adventures today, said Mom, tucking Zoe in. Zoe looked up at her mom.
Really?
She asked. Not now, said Mom, but now, she whispered. Dream wild, my child.